A diverse array of people from all over visit Key West each year. To accommodate them, the island features a variety of great places to stay. Highgate Hotels, the management company for several on-island properties, along with Key West Concierge, were looking for a better way to deliver concierge services to their guests. They challenged BlackDog Advertising to come up with an alternative solution to the traditional binder pitch book. BlackDog's solution was to harness today's most advanced technology to create a customized Google Chrome app for each property. Powered by wireless Google ChromeBit and Chromebox devices, we created modern and easy-to-use interactive kiosks that guests and concierge alike can access through touchscreen monitors at the hotel concierge desk, as well as in-room tablets at select properties. Branded specifically to each hotel, the touchscreen kiosks can be deployed in minutes and are flexible enough to be tilted or laid flat depending on user preference. We designed the user interface to be intuitive and elegant, with the goal of allowing all levels of users to feel comfortable interacting with our solution. Large images designate each category and bring the true flavor and personality of Key West to life, as the guests and concierge alike are guided through various areas of interest. When users reach the experience they're looking for, they can browse through some general info, an interactive flipbook, bold photography and videos, hours of operation, and maps to their destination, with the option of having directions sent right to the guest's cell phone. When the concierge is not available, the kiosks offer self-service. They play videos, invite guests to interact, and have the capability of taking reservations. The customized solution also gives Key West Concierge the ability to see what guests are interested in and to track all kinds of interaction, including the time of day most guests are searching and which trips and excursions are most popular. And it allows for new vendors to add themselves through a simple submission and approval process, ensuring that guests in each hotel have access to a broad range of the island's best activities and experiences. BlackDog's exclusive state-of-the-art assistant to the concierge is a cost-effective solution and is not only customizable, it's updatable and controlled remotely through the Chrome management system, giving concierge the ability to update and change whenever the need arises. While nothing could replace the warm smile of the concierge team members in each of the hotels, this new app is the ideal accompaniment and takes one-of-a-kind attention to a whole new level.